Hey, this Tuesday I walked into my one-on-ones with the team and told every person on my team that your current specialty has an expiry date. And I directed everybody in the team to immediately start the path of becoming a full stack engineer, because I predict AI will collapse the walls between front end, back end, and DevOps in the next 2 to 4 years. And I also give each of them a plan to start this week. And interestingly, yesterday I also came across an article from Martin Fowler, the author of the book Refactoring. He's a pretty famous guy in software, that a friend of mine, Amir, shared on his social feed. And in that article, Martin also seems to agree with me on this full stack prediction. But, I devised a plan. I gave everybody detailed guide of how they can become a full stack, because I was a full stack all my life. But I didn't stop there. I also told them to start learning the Agentic AI stack, suggested some courses, to take these courses and build a project that solves a real world problem and then present it to the department in a tech talk. Why? Because the next big thing that I see in products isn't going to be better UI. I think it's replacing click heavy flows with agentic flows. And it's also rendering UI on demand. Not generating UI on demand, but really rendering it. And to show them that this isn't just theoretical, I presented them the whole process of how I build a web version of my iOS app, Unbox.AI, in just 3 days. Something that would have, taken me more than 3 months if I go back 6 months back. And just 3 days is crazy, right? And that's where we are right now. And I also share two more predictions with them. One, that the popular SaaS tools are going to be replicated to open source, and companies will start migrating to semi-on-premise versions. And the number 2 prediction was that, again, software team sizes will get cut in half in the next 4 years. And then it goes to 1 person per project at some point, and eventually we will have a situation that 1 person managing 10 projects. And to reach that new state, it might take maybe 5 to 8 years, but that's what I see right now. And really, as a leader, my job isn't to protect the whole team from change, right? It's to prepare them for it. And so I'm not waiting. And that's why I gave them a plan, and that's why they are starting this week. And if I'm wrong about all of this, well, great. They will just be more skilled engineers. But if I'm right, they will be the ones who are ahead while everybody else is scrambling. It's a nice day in Munich. See you.